use this or this. I usually use this. And then you insert the head. This is how most of the hand puppets look like. This is made of a styrofoam ball. So first I coated it with gesso all over and dried it overnight. To make a hole in the neck, I used plastic curler. If you don't have this, you can use a PVC pipe. I'm removing the styrofoam. So I wanted to leave an inch for the neck, just like this. I'm going to wrap the top of this with a cloth so that the styrofoam is not going to fall off. 3M Durapore. This is a glue right here, and I'm going to put glue all over. Now that I have glue all over, I start putting paper clay around it, already covered with the first layer of the paper clay. I'm going to put the nose here. Then the eyes. I'm going to mark the eyes. Put some eyeballs here. I just put the eyes. And I'm going to put the lips. With paper clay, you just need a little water. Okay, I'm going to use this. You can use a knife to mark the lips. I'm putting a little chin here. Paper clay. Containers that you can also use for your heads instead of styrofoam. They already have holes. This is a yogurt container. Just like the marionette, I'm using the combo body paint brown flesh. I'm going to show you how I did the body for Juan. So this is the pan. Okay, so I cut 2 pieces of this. The hand. I attached the hand before sewing all the sides. The best way to put the hat is use pins. We have Mang Dading and Lola, the grandma, and Juan. I did one crab. I just inserted a little loop here so that I can move the crab. I already traced it. This is a thermal fabric. If you can think of another fabric that's a little bit thick, and when you cut it there's no edges, then that will do the job. I'm going to cut this now. Sew this portion first to this. Okay, I sewed this portion to the first layer of the crab, the upper part. I'm now putting fiber fill in the crab's body just to give it some volume. And after I put that, I'm going to sew this back. Here. Okay, I want to show you another way of handling the crabs. If you don't want to use this, you can also insert a rod, and I just use a safety pin. You can put a hole here to put the rod so that they won't keep falling. And then you can just move the rod like so. But it's just another idea. I actually used this when I was videotaping. This is one of the props for the first scene, slippers. I just inserted foam, and then there is the bayong. This is the dog. This is something that preschooler can do. It's just a pair of socks. I just shortened the nose, and there's a padding here made of this one again, the foam. These are beads. So you don't really have to make an elaborate dog puppet. Garment holder. Now we have the backdrop. Those are just placemats mounted on the garment holder. The display board facing the opposite way, and the extension, this one. You're going to hold the puppets and you're going to squat here. We have a scene where Mang Dading, the storekeeper, is talking to Juan. There's supposed to be a table here, and Mang Dading and Juan are talking. So it's just something. Or you can also put this on the wall. This is the marketplace to establish what Mang Dading is selling.